Okay, 736 on the key of C sharp. So real quick, let's go ahead and spell it down. Let's break it down. So left hand side started with that melody. Right? So for the first chord, left hand side, we have C, B flat, and E flat. The reason why I'm doing this is because my right hand side is supposed to play E flat like your 2 and the 3, but this is C sharp. You can't do that with your thumb, just like we did on the key of C from the previous video. So that's why I have to do this stretch. But if you can't stretch, that's fine. You can just keep it like this, but it makes it sound full and melodious. So your left hand side, you have this. Then right hand side, we have F, B flat, and F obviously on top, which is the melody on top. Then next chord, which is over the 3. So this is F on the left. The next chord, this is B flat on the left. On the right, we have E flat, G, and B flat. Yes, E flat is still on top. Then we now resolve down to the left hand side, we have A. Right hand side, we have E flat, F sharp, and A. That chromatic scale kind of. This is B, C, C sharp. Then come to the 6. Left hand side, this is B flat, F, and C sharp with an arpeggio obviously. Your right hand would do E flat, F, and A flat. Same thing. Left hand C sharp like that. But for most of you, this might not be convenient, so you can actually improvise. You can just do, so you can just do 1, 2 based on number system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the 1. So you can do 1, 2 on your left. Then on your right hand side, you're doing 3, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, like that across the octaves. So let's take it again from the top and just wrap it up.